Couple new devices from Realme, 10 Pro, 10 Pro Plus, just launched. Pro Plus is probably gonna be around $400, Pro 5G around $350. Over here we have the Dimensity 1080 5G chipset, and then on the 10 Pro, we have the Snapdragon 695. The Pro Plus goes to 67 watt fast charging, whereas the Pro 5G, 33 watts. The Pro Plus model I have here is 12 gigs of RAM, whereas the Pro 5G is 8 gigs, 128 storage, 256 storage on the Pro Plus. Of course, you're probably gonna be able to buy these things in a number of different configurations. Pretty nice characteristics for devices coming in around this price point. So first up, the 10 Pro. Hey, welcome to the Realme family. First thing we're gonna see is the included case. It's a pretty typical clear case that they would include, but it's got a little tint to it. Get you up and running. The device color, Nebula Blue. One thing I like is this trend towards matte finishes, and it does have a slight little color change thing happening from like blue to white or blue to silver. And the same carries through onto the frame of the device, which has a squared off edge to it. I think the Plus is gonna be a little bit different. Fingerprint scanner looks to be in the power switch location. And then above that, you have your volume rocker. Bottom of the device, we've still got a analog audio jack, a USB-C port, as well as your speaker. And if I pop open the SIM tray, since the tool is right there, you see a little gasket for weather resistance. It looks like you've got some expandable storage there as well. As I mentioned previously, it's gonna charge up at 33 watt Super VOOC. Super VOOC is one of the best. Symmetrical design on the front. Yeah, no, I gotta do it. It's like my favorite part. Lovely. Look at this. It's a little bit terrifying, but it's actually pretty stable. How about Pro Plus? Oh, that's kind of different. Hot new colors. Whoa. I don't know if we've quite seen that before. Do you see what's going on there? Splintery, sunbursty, prismy effect. Wow, that is pretty cool. There's a bluish and a silver. There's a color changing thing happening at the same time as that reflective, fractally, sunbursty. I'm running out of adjectives here in order to describe it, but it's almost like speckled a little bit. And then it goes to like almost a violet. There's a lot happening on this backplate. Wow, R&D worth over 15 million. I've never seen a brand reference its R&D budget for the premium curved display customization. Realme's narrowest smartphone chin on this device. First 2160 Hertz PWM dimming, and the world's first flicker-free TUV Rhineland certificate. Couple of firsts. Heavy on the Antutu score and lightweight, 173 grams. The profile here, 7.95 millimeters. It definitely feels slender in your hand. They are calling it a prism acceleration pattern. They would also want me to tell you that we have 12 plus 12 gigs of dynamic RAM. It's the hottest trend in the industry. 800 nits of peak brightness on this display and a 93.65 screen to body ratio. 3.6. It's a tough one, right? You get the squared off edge. Some people love it. When you are able to curve it around, you can carry a bigger phone without it feeling as big as it actually is. That's all. That's all there is to it. Pretty. 120 on both. The Plus model already has my vote out of the two. This baby is 67 watt Super VOOC. More than double the wattage, more than double the fun. Did you feel like the Oreo needed to be double stuffed, or was it the ratio of icing already okay? It is a dual SIM setup with a gasket, but no expandable storage, and also no 3.5 mil headphone jack. Speaker is down on the bottom as well, and the power switch is typical. And the volume rocker above that, I'm guessing this is an in-display fingerprint. They also want to enroll face unlock, which those tend to be quite snappy in my past experience. Look how fast the registration too. And I unlock via in-display, point it this way, nothing, face, bang.
That is fast.
It's a bang. Plug. Oh. Very nice. Super Fook going up in real time. I love to see the real time number and reflection of what we're doing and the speed at which it's happening. We'll switch over to the 33 watt because that's the one that comes in the package with this one. There we go. So we get to watch it here go up in real time, just like the other one, except in this case, 33 watt. 1X. 1X. Wham. 0.6. Wham. 3X. Blam. Telephoto looking good. Ultra wide tends to be the weakest. Main cam also looking great. Real life, telephoto life. Am I right? I don't think booty mode was on.
Booty mode?
I don't think booty mode. The result of that, nose is still broken. Tons of detail on that one. I'm sure you can tell. 108 megapixel. If you want enormous files, yes, it can do 108 megapixels. Let's test the video. His name is Mo, and I'm gonna actually ask him a few questions in this video. All right, now we've switched over to audio from the device itself, the 10 Pro Plus, and we are testing the autofocus capabilities.
How's it doing?
It's actually maintaining. As I move in and out, and what if I move quickly and wham?
Okay, all right. Let's go over there.
Hey, you have a night mode. You have 108 megapixel mode for insane resolution. There's a macro mode. I guess we could test that real quick. Close focus capabilities, definitely. Text scanner, group portrait, dual view video. So if I was recording Mo like this, you could see my reaction when he gets angry at me or with me.
With you?
Angry at?
I don't know. You
Have you not said, I'm very angry with you?
You want me to say that?
No, I'm just like, you've never used that in that way?
No.
You're always angry at? You're never angry with something?
That's some dad stuff.
I'm angry with something. Or I'm angry at something.
Oh yeah, I guess I'm angry. I'm angry at Kofu. I'm not angry with Kofu.
Are you sure about that?
But that dental was a little different because the dental
Stereo?
for my kids was very rude. We can turn the mic on. No, we can't. Okay, you can use mine.
I said maybe he can claim losses because maybe this is a business opportunity for him and now it's stolen. So he's lost a business opportunity.
Eager sounds good, man. Like, hi, listen, it's a pretty nice little package here. The display, the fit and finish, the premium feel, 67 watt fast charging, this like fractally design on the back, 108 megapixel. If you want some crazy resolution on the rear camera, well, up to 12 gigs of RAM, 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Did I say 120 hertz AMOLED display? You got a lot there that you might want, and it's all in here. There's free gifts apparently. $300 off. Anyway, the details will be in the description. It's the brand new Realme 10 Pro and 10 Pro Plus.